I have introduced you to this AI dubbing tool from 11 Labs a couple of months ago, and now they have improved a lot. They have released this new feature, which is called as AI dubbing feature still, but this is the biggest change or milestone in this company's efforts to remove language barriers and foster universal accessibility of content. In nutshell, in simple words, what this tool does is it can convert spoken content, whether in audio format or video format, to another language in minutes, while preserving the voice of the original speaker. So if you look at your screen, you can upload your audio or video here. It will detect the language, and then you can select your target language from the right hand side, and there are various languages, some of them which are not really available in the mainstream at the moment, such as I would say Malay or Czech, Ukrainian, Bulgarian, and also Tamil. And there are a lot of other languages which you can select from here. The cool thing about is that when it converts the content into the target language, it preserves or tries to preserve the original speaker's voice. So, built on top of the company's own research, which is 11 labs, this means that audiences globally will be able to enjoy content in their native language. And this feature primarily empowers all creators, educators, and media companies to reach a global audience with a few clicks. This follows the recent launch of 11 Labs project tool to support streamlined long form audio creation. So I'm very excited about it because not only it is going to eliminate linguistic barriers of content, it will also help creators creators like myself who are originating content in English, but there is a lot of demand to be to produce some content in such as Urdu, which is language of Pakistan, or Hindi, the language of India, because there is a huge audience there who wants to learn AI or cloud, and they really want the content in those native languages. But for me, it's very hard to generate videos in multiple language at the same time. I can only do in one language, and I prefer English. So with the help of this AI dubbing, what I can do, I can create the content in English and simply use this to dub it into the target language. And that is what my goal is on the channel, that you will be seeing more and more ethnic and diverse language um, uh, content on my channel very soon with the help of this AI dubbing, hopefully. And I hope that their pricing is reasonable enough, especially for the small businesses. So let's see. And I hope that you're as excited as myself with this uh, great tool, I would say. So this is it, guys, and I already have done few demos around converting these languages, and I'll drop the link in video's description so that you can follow along. I hope that you like the content. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.